Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how you can make PDF using Google Docs. So I think it is super simple. After you finish editing the document you have, and you are just going to select file, select download, and select PDF document to save as a PDF. But not only as a PDF, you can also save in another format here. So tap on video document so you can see, and you can find your PDF document in your folder. So just tap on folder and select download, and you can find your PDF reader. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.